Welcome to the Linux Jagatnath YouTube channel. I'm Surendra Anne. I'm a Linux and DevOps engineer. Before starting the video, please try to subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for notification. For other videos, click on the channel icon and you can see all the videos which we upload on a regular basis. Today we will learn one important command called help. So before understanding it, we should know a problem which I faced when I started learning shell scripting. In shell scripting, we have a for statement. So the syntax for for statement is for I in star nothing but a group of files in present directory, do echo I done. What it do is it just simply lists the present working directory files. How to know what is the syntax, or this is a command actually, for is a command. So I started wondering like if we can see man pages to learn more about for. So what I did was man for. I didn't get any manual page, so I wondered like how to get help on it. Then I realized it is a inbuilt command, and when started searching for more information on inbuilt commands, I came across the command called help, which is like a man page for all your inbuilt commands. Say suppose you want to see cd command by using man page, because cd command is a inbuilt, so you cannot see any man pages for cd, even similar to let command as well, which is again a inbuilt command. So in order to see what actually a inbuilt command will do is you have to depend on help. In order to get help on an inbuilt command, we'll be seeing help for. So what it's going to do is it will give you some information like what is for and how to use for and other things. So here it sees like a for loop and all other commands. How about like let? So it will give you a lot of information what a let command can do, even the cd command. So this way we can understand what a cd command will do in detail. Hope this small video helped you to understand different inbuilt commands. Thanks for watching this video. If you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please do subscribe by clicking the subscription button and click on the bell icon so that you can get up-to-date information. Please do subscribe to other social media channels like Twitter, Facebook, and to our blog as well. Keep visiting linuxnext.com website as well as the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.